There's a verb you might have heard of, a verb called egon. It's not the prince that was promised, since it's actually relevant. Hi, I'm Shanna, and this is Basque Berserk. Typically, egon is known as the other to be verb. It is used in Southern Basque to express a physical location or a temporary condition. It's an intransitive verb and is almost always conjugated into its very irregular synthetic forms. I'm going to take it apart for you. To form present tense finite egon, drop the e prefix and the n suffix. We have a root, go, which can be seen in the singular forms, but in the plural forms, this go shifts to the letter u. This is most likely because it is sandwiched between the letter a, which comes before a root beginning with a consonant, which of course here is g, and between the green pluralizer suffix de, which is particular to egon. Since Basque pronunciation is rapid and the letter G between vowels is pronounced very slightly, eventually quick pronunciation of agode merged into agode merged into aude. And that's why singular forms are ago, but plural forms are aude. Then the present intransitive personal prefixes appear in red, indicating the subject. N for I.
Ni nago.
I am. D for he, she, or it.
Ura dago.
He, she, it is. G for we.
Gu gaude.
We are. Z for you.
Zu zaude.
You are. Z for you all, plus an extra te at the end.
Zuek zaudete.
You all are. D for they.
Haiek daude.
They are. Egon is not used much as a periphrastic verb. When it is used, though, it usually indicates habitually or repetitively being. It uses intransitive forms of isan as the auxiliary verb here. But unlike verbs like etorri or joan, you usually need something else to complete the phrase when using periphrastic egon. The habitual tense form drops the final n and adds ten to form egoten, followed by finite conjugations of isan.
Ni egoten naiz.
I am.
Ura egoten da.
He, she, it is.
Gu egoten gara.
We are.
Zu egoten zara.
You are.
Zuek egoten zarete.
You all are.
Haiek egoten dira.
They are. Here are a few examples to clarify.
Etxean nago.
I am at home right now.
Etxean egoten naiz.
I am at home usually or generally.
Pello pozik dago.
Peyo is happy in the moment.
Pello pozik egoten da.
Peyo is happy generally, maybe as a person.
Zergaitik zaude gaixo?
Why are you sick at the moment?
Zergaitik egoten zara gaixo beti?
Why are you always sick? If you noticed, being in a location usually invokes the inessive case attached at the end of the location. And unlike intransitive isan, indicating what something is, egon, when indicating the condition you are in, like sick or sad, doesn't ever really take the definite a suffix.
Mutila zara.
You are a boy, but
Triste zaude.
you are sad. The affirmative particle ba comes before any synthetic conjugation of egon. This is usually where it's a single word in a sentence or it's the focus.
Banago.
I am.
Badago.
He, she, it is.
Bagaude.
We are.
Bazaude.
You are.
Bazaudete.
You all are.
Badaude.
They are. To indicate the negative of this verb, put the word s in front of any of the verb forms.
Ez nago hemen.
I am not here.
Ez dago gaixo.
He or she is not sick.
Ez gaude etxean.
We are not at home.
Ez zaude hor.
You are not there.
Ez zaudete eskolan.
You all are not at school.
Ez daude triste.
They are not sad. You can even use the negative s and the conditional ba particle together to mean if not.
Hemen ez banago.
If I am not here,
Gaixo ez bazaude.
if you are not sick. Here are some other ways you might see egon used. In the northern dialects, to mean stay.
Etxean egongo naiz.
I will stay home. In the south, egon can be used as an auxiliary to mean actively doing something.
Ikasten nago.
I am studying. You can use it with past participle adjectives.
Hori gaizki eginda dago.
That is badly done. In the South, you can use the present tense as a command to wait, but it may not actually be used as much as the verb echaron, to wait.
Zaude.
Wait a minute. When used in its dative forms, egon can mean to suit or to fit or to correspond to, or to take for or regard as, which I'm going to have to do a whole other video on. It is even used to state that there is no doing something, as in it can't be done.
Ara joaterik ez dago.
There is no going there, or going there is forbidden, or you can't go there. To end this video, I'm just going to say egon can be used so much in Basque, but way more than I can cover in this video. So we're just going to have to explore egon as we come across things. Thanks for watching. Agur!